Hello, everybody. This is part two of the Bowman's Draft 2016 opening. If you didn't watch part one, then
Go check that out.
check it out first because,
You kind of want to know what happened
Yeah.
there.
very interesting.
Very interesting part.
But here's
All right. So, to open the first pack.
there you go. All right, there we go. All right.
Link to that first part in the description.
Oh yeah. Check it out. All right. Kyle Lewis.
Hayward.
Jacob Hayward.
I know another Hayward.
Yes. Yeah.
Good hat.
And we get our first autograph.
I didn't I just say last part of voice Dalton Jeffries autograph?
Yep, Dalton Jeffries autograph. I'll just put that right there. Brandon Webb. All right, Nick. Okay, we got some firsts. It's good 50%. Okay.
It was a first round pick, but
Still.
I mean,
Yeah.
oh wow.
All right, next pack. We'll try not to get another Dalton Jeffries.
If we do Dalton Jeffries, I want a refund.
Alfred.
Alfred Dawson. Word. Thanks. Cumberland, and Dipland.
Great name.
Nice names.
Just a-
Cisco Meha, Mason Thompson, Jeremy Martinez, Tukey, Colton Walker,
Oh.
Matt Manning. Nice. Ninth pick? Yep, ninth pick, Matt Manning autograph. Numbered 4, what does that say? 406 of 499. Focus, I promise you. Yep. Alright.
Not bad.
Nice. Bobby Bradley, Grant Holmes, Refractors, and DJ Peters, paper base, Espinoza, and that's it, Sean Reed Foley.
All right, I'll get this pack open. All right. Okay, hopefully we won't get another Dalton Jeffries auto. Okay. There we go. All right. AJ Puck. Howard. Kimoniak. All right.
Hey, that's blue paper.
Yeah.
It's numbered, but what get that?
Okay. 150 up to 150. Not bad. Obviously, want to see that. All right.
Here's skipping good cards.
Up to 99. Okay, so that's 99.
No,
What?
two.
Okay. They want to see
Teal,
that too.
that's nice. Sky blues are good.
Yeah, they saw it. Okay. They're like, okay, we've had enough.
Enough of these.
We want to see
clowns.
the autographs. Come on. Or the last one. Here we go. And Matt Chapman to end it. All right, next. Okay, we can. Hopefully, there's an auto in there.
I'll take Moniak
Wouldn't be bad.
or Kyle Lewis. Kyle Lewis is actually kind of hot. Not like that. I know. Craig, Lopez, Potts, Glaber, nice. Wentz, Elvin, Trammell, Barreto, Alec Hansen, Kevin Gowley, Francis Martez, Zach Jackson, Ryan Mountcastle, Joshua Lowe first, Noose, Kyle Mueller.
Amazing autograph
Who
pull.
is this? Second round.
Come on.
Hey,
You gotta get this
Kyle
card.
Mueller autograph.
Amazing.
Incredible.
Incredible, yes.
J. Peters refractor, Luis Ortiz, and Meredith Seymour, Hoskins, Zach Collins first, Cordy Ray, and Forrest the Wall.
All right. second to last pack of this box. So let's get right to it. Alrighty. Here we go. Right here. Okay.
You're getting like all the parallels.
I don't mind that.
Do you mind me getting Matt Manning?
Oh yeah, you can have them. I got my Dalton Jeffries over here. AJ Puck, not bad. First Bowman. Okay, we got a.
Is it Zoot or Zyke? I don't know.
I didn't want to say it because, you know, big boy. Okay.
Maybe he's watching us. You're disrespecting me.
Yeah. You don't want him. All right. Last
final
pack.
Let's get a bonus
In
auto.
yeah. Let's get a Nolan Ryan 1/1 bonus auto.
It's a thing. Draft history. It was pulled though.
Yeah.
Oh. Half one open. There we go.
All right.
Kyle Tucker, Cappuccino J, Francis Martez, Omar Reyes, McGee, Nick Gordon, Matt Manning, nice. Mikey York, Gavin Lux first, Dom Thompson Williams, Antonio Senzatawa, Nolan Williams, Eloy, nice. Draft history, is this draft? Yeah, draft history, Chipper, not numbered. Alex Spees, Kyle Lee, Okie, Smith, Amir Garrett, Derek Fisher. The last card is a Javier Guerra with a, feels a little rough back there. Alright guys.
That was the last. That's the second half of this video. Or is this
Half of this video.
box?
Here's a
What
little
is the
recap.
second half of it? But
Recap is.
we got some great.
Let's get these cards together.
Hold on a minute,
Hold on
everybody.
a minute, getting
We
these
got
cards
our
together.
amazing pull.
I have to go to his pile to get all the numbered cards. That's not fair.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
Last part, we got a pint. Got a pint to 250. This part, we got Matt Manning, 499. Kyle Muller auto. Dalton Jeffries.
Here we go.
Javier Guerra, 71 of 150. Another Javier Guerra, not numbered, but sky blue, probably worth more than the blue paper. And Kyle Mueller, who we got his auto, first Bowman to 99.
Not
Alright,
bad.
guys.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support us, just click on that like button
subscribe,
and share with your friends.
and drop a comment. Alright,